This is a digital multimeter with an oscilloscope function. In multimeter mode, each button corresponds to a different feature. Let's go through them one by one. This button is for power on/off. Press and hold to turn it on. The middle button works as both navigation and confirm key. The button on the right opens the main menu. No matter which screen you're on, pressing it will quickly return to the home screen. In multimeter mode, the CH1, CH2, and save keys are active, while the up and down keys are not functional. The auto key switches to auto mode with one press. No matter which range you're in, it instantly returns to automatic detection. To select a specific measurement range, use the left and right navigation keys. Short press the top first button to switch the measurement mode. Long press the second button to enter the oscilloscope function. Long press the third button to enter the signal generator function. Long press the first button again to return to the multimeter mode. In multimeter mode, the fourth top button enables relative measurement. Short press the confirm key to hold the data. Press again to resume real-time measurement.